strong as coffee.
Kindness is as strong as coffee. I love that one. We're in the grade 2 art class.
Stonehaven Elementary School.
And the kiddos are working on some of our kindness projects that we've been doing throughout the school year. We have been really focusing on spreading kindness in our community and connecting with one another in the classroom as well.
So there are 3 classes that all participated in different kindness projects simultaneously. We have a grade 3 and a grade 3-4 classroom that were working on the kindness kits, and then a grade 2 classroom that did the kindness sleeves for coffee cups.
Our project is making coffee sleeves for people, so when they get their coffee, they feel happy.
It's to make people feel better and be kind to other people.
We started with World Kindness Day as our initiative. I went and asked for the coffee sleeves the morning of, and the coffee shop was a little taken aback and wondering what was going on, just giving me a bunch of sleeves. So when I explained I'd be bringing them back in a few days, they loved the idea and went with it.
I used my pencil and a black marker.
They can put whatever kind of design they want. They've added coffee, they add lots of florals and colors and rainbows. We added little coffee puns, espresso yourself, and so on.
This one says, try your best, and the word try is like tea, and it's like kind of similar to try your best.
My coffee sleeve says, have a good day, you are strong.
We had an outpour of wonderful messages coming back from the local coffee shop of people thanking us and just telling us how our little messages from our kiddos and little designs really brighten their day.
We made kindness kits, which included some essential items that someone who is potentially doesn't have a home might need, like toothbrushes and toothpaste, hand warmers, socks, things like that, that were then packaged and provided to these different organizations in From the Cold and Belinda's Place.
The students identified a need within our own community.
My favorite part was seeing the donations. My favorite part was packing the bags because I can tell that these items are going to go to good use for other people. It makes me feel proud because we're helping other people.
This pamphlet was to show families what we were doing. Our entire class made one of these. This one I made with a partner.
It's one thing to watch or to read about social justice in action, but it's another thing for them to actually take part in it. So it was really exciting for them to be able to see that their kindness kits, their idea was going to actually be used by people within our community.
It is important to learn about community and kindness because it can spread to other people.
If you're kind to someone, then they could spread the kindness and be kind to you back.
The word kindness means to me that to help others and to be generous.
Be kind and don't be rude to people.
Kindness means that I feel a lot better, and when people get them, they make me happy.
We're trying to spread the word and even spread to other schools that these little acts of kindness have really made a big impact. So we look forward to doing it again in the spring.